last month. This is the monthly sales breakdown for October. We did, the expenses were, let me tell you what the expenses were, $570.80. For the two, the total was $21. And then I had to pay $26 for shipping. You like the credit card?
Yeah,
Oh, you want to use it?
I,
Oh, you like to use your phone?
yeah.
Oh, okay. It is Monday. It is Monday. It is Monday. I am in a fantastic mood for a Monday. I think it has to do with me making progress at the machine that's in the storage. I got the screws out finally on Friday. I had to pay $175, but still I got them out. So I'm feeling pretty good. I'm making some progress. Things are moving along. So TGIM. Thank God it's Monday. We had a pretty good month for October, surprisingly, because it's chocolate season. I call it chocolate season, Halloween. But we still had some good sales. So we did good last month. This is the monthly sales breakdown for October. We did, the expenses were, let me tell you what the expenses were, $570.80, including, did she say include? I don't know if that's including credit card fee, $20. So the expenses was $570.80, and we made, total sales for the month was $1,572.95. So the profit for last month was $1,002.15. Okay, so those are some real time numbers. It's all here. This is my CFO, my mother. So I like to make a copy of it just so that I have it. Knowing some months are more than others. I was surprised, like I said, that total sales were 15 because, Halloween, and they had functions, and, they have candy, people get candy. I'm thinking they might not use the machine, but I'm not complaining. I am actively looking for a third location. So I personally, I've heard people say they don't have contracts for some of their locations. I personally prefer a contract because moving the machines around it can be expensive. And when I say expensive, I mean you have to, I can't physically move them by myself. I have to hire people to move them for me. You have to get a truck if they don't have one, or if I'm moving it, I get some guys, I have to get a truck. It takes money, time, and energy. And so if I'm going to put a machine at a location, I need a guarantee that I'm going to be here for a while, not just day by day. Today is here, tomorrow somebody else comes in, or you don't feel like it, or whatever. I need a contract. I would prefer a contract. So that's how I feel. That's my opinion. So I do have a couple of leads, and we'll see where it leads. So let me ask you, have you started what you wanted to do? So if you've been watching my videos, you can see that nothing goes as smoothly as I would like, but I started. And I will encourage you to start. I mean, you have to. It's a must. I don't care if you're cooking, baking lollipops. I don't know. I don't care what it is. It's just do something. Not only is it, I think, necessary, especially in today's the craziness that's going on today. This, them versus them, and people are in the middle, not getting paid, getting fired, can't pay their mortgage. That's crazy. I'm sorry. That's wrong. It's going to take a lot of work. It's going to take a lot of effort, and things are not going to always go smoothly, And the thing about having your own business is, you might have some months where, things, the finances might be up or they might be down. You might have to dig into the savings. The savings might you definitely deplete your savings, that's for sure. But is it worth it? Absolutely. I would say absolutely. It's worth it because of the feeling, of the feeling that it brings. Sometimes I'm at the machines and I'm putting snacks in the machines, and it's so peaceful, y'all. It's so peaceful, and just, I sometimes look forward to it. I don't have to worry about anybody watching me, asking me what I'm doing. Well, people do ask me what I'm doing. They do. They're like, when you gonna fix this thing here? It's not working. So, but you know what I mean. But it's so peaceful. And as I am learning the business and things are becoming more streamlined, it gets a little bit more fun. And I'll be back later to pick up the cash because I couldn't do it on Friday because I was busy getting the screws out. The guys came for me on Friday to get the screws out at the machine I have at the storage. So I didn't really have time. I did a lot of running around on Friday. And the boss, the big boss, I do have a boss. She's about maybe 3 feet 8 inches tall. I don't know how tall she is, but she's very bossy, and she's been wanting to come to the machines. Every day she asks me, did you go to the machines? Did you go to the machines? And I did, but sometimes it's easier to just kind of get it done, and most of the time she's not with me. But so today, when she gets out of school, we'll come back. You know what? I'll just pick up the cash. I was going to pick up the cash now, but I'll just pick up the cash later so that way she can do everything. And yeah, so the big boss will be coming back with me later. It does get a little more fun, especially when things are, moving and working as they should. And the more you tackle the issues, the more confidence you will have, the more experience, of course, you'll gain. And yeah, and you'll notice it's like you need something to escape to. If you don't do it, if you start your business only just to have an escape, then do it. Because like I just told you, I don't even look at the news when I'm on YouTube. And oh man, there's no parking. Let's see where we park today. Is that a parking spot? Nope. Oh, I can't go that way. The bus is over there. Let me go this way. Hold on, y'all. Sorry. I gotta park on the other side. I gotta pop that light bulb in. I got that light bulb in here. And I'm gonna pop it in really quickly. I'm not gonna have time to fill anything in. But I did say I was gonna wait for the big boss this afternoon, so when she gets out of school. But yeah, if starting your business is nothing, serves the only purpose it serves is to give you an escape, then do it because you need it. You need an escape from this craziness that's going on. It's just crazy. All right, so here's the bulb. I might put another order in just in case, just to have a spare, because I only ordered 2. For the 2, the total was $21, and then I had to pay $26 for shipping, which was outrageous, but I needed them ASAP. So I went ahead and placed the order. I don't think they don't sell the fluorescent light bulbs in the store anymore. Like if you go to Home Depot, they don't have it. All they have is the LED light bulbs, and the LED light bulbs are different. So the machine would have to be upgraded. But just in case it goes out, I don't like the machine to be without a light because it looks like it's off. Let's go. I'm going to show you. Let's go see. Good morning. How you doing? How was your weekend? Thank you. Any issues going on? No? Okay. How are you with the change? You good? Okay. All right. Call me if you need me. Some customers at the machine. Some veggie straws. Some veggie straws. All right. Good morning. How are you? All right. Yeah. So let me show you how dark. You like the credit card?
Yeah,
Oh, you want to use it?
On your phone, like.
All right, guys, let's go.
Oh, you like to use your phone?
Yeah.
Oh,
Like
okay.
Big phone.
Oh, he like to use his phone.
Oh, poor Wano.
All right, so now let me show you what the machine looks like. It looks dark. Well, you really can't tell because it's the glass, the reflection. But it looks dark. Let's open it up. So as you can see, the light here is out. Yeah. Alright, let's turn it on and see if it lights up. So it's light. It took a minute to pop on. It was it blinked and blinked and blinked and then it came on. But it's working. So I'm gonna try to work on getting upgrading this lighting to the LED. I'm going to quickly run through the inventory so that way when we come back later, I know everything is accurate. Five is good. Two. Hello? Yes. That I could do what? Oh no. Why? It's full? Oh no. No, I could come. She don't want me to come early? Well, not today because it's like last minute. Mm, what's the other day I could do it? Alrighty. All right. Okay. All right. So yeah, we get a lot of fives in this machine. So when they put the $5 bills in the machine, it drains the coin mech. So that's why I stay on top of the coin mech. But you can see there's a $5 bill in there. There's probably a lot of fives in here. I could tell just by looking at the coin mech. But I'm gonna pick this up later. And look how dirty it gets from the money. See that? So I'm gonna come in here, and so when I come back later, I'm gonna air blow it to kind of get some of that dirt out of there. Money is dirty, boy, I tell you. Put this back. All right, I gotta go.
Oh, you got the fob?
It's right there. Did I take it out?
Yeah, it's not starting, so you must have.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh.
It started because you put the box in the car. Oh, you can take it out.
Okay, you're right.
It's running. Oh. Diana Warwick song that relates to you right now.
I don't know.
So close yet so far. Remember that song?
Who was that, Diane? I think that was before my time.
I don't know, you ain't got my song. You must have heard your mom singing it. So close yet so far.
Yeah, I actually felt it.
Yeah, you weren't going too much further on that. I barely made it on the truck. This handle.
Hop in. Okay. Thank you.
Before I'm gonna leave you.
Scoot over. All right. Oh man,
First time in a big truck.
this is. They started off good.
Who started off good?
I was up this morning. Kind of flat right now, but not too bad.
Everybody's in a rush. Send it to kids. Want me to scare them?
Yeah, do that.
Take the next right, then your destination will be on the right.
Oh.